Hello, 5th grade. I'm on the DC field trip, and I was hoping that if I made this video, you guys might be able to start your designs on your hand sculpture with the help of Miss Pat and my substitute. I made up these brainstorming packets to help you guys look at the different designs and ways you can use lines and symbols in order to draw them on your hand sculpture. If you feel more comfortable, you can do a practice one first on this two-dimensional surface instead of going right to the three-dimensional surface. You also could use pencil first and then move to Sharpie later, maybe next class when I'm there, so you can ask me for help. But your job is to use these different designs and kind of, as if you were doodling, continue to build off of them and have them continue from one place to another place, jump around, make sure you're covering multiple surfaces at once. Maybe have some of the designs repeat, like I have these kind of zigzag patterns here, but then they're also on the other two fingers on the back. We talked about things that different types of designs that were popular to use: the tree, paisley, floret, and starburst. So this would be an example of a starburst design, a paisley design. And if you look at the packet, I also noticed that they use eyes in different places. But the important thing is to make sure that things are building into each other. So having something that is continuous and connecting from one place to another. So if you look at these different designs, you can kind of see how they're using, like on these fingers, they're all the similar designs. They start with the wavy line up and then they build out the flowers and the leaf shapes onto that. So it might look more complicated at first, but if you always want to start with the simplest lines and then work to the more complicated details after. I'm trying to think. So I guess since I'm not there, the most important thing is to take your time, and if you're not confident, then do it in pencil first or practice on this worksheet, and then the next class I'll help you start your hand sculpture. Remember, this is your 4th marking period grade. So again, if you do not feel confident in starting it today in class, then do the practice sketch first. All right, I'll see you next week.